Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some groundbreaking news from the world of military power dynamics. According to the latest report by the Lowy Institute, India has emerged as the third most powerful country in Asia, surpassing even former superpowers Russia and Japan. So, what's driving India's meteoric rise in the military rankings? A combination of strategic advancements, economic growth, and diplomatic clout has propelled India to this position. Firstly, let's talk about military capability. India's defense budget has seen a significant boost, reaching around $71 billion. With this, the nation has been able to modernize its armed forces, invest in cutting-edge technology, and enhance its nuclear arsenal. The Indian Armed Forces now boast over 1.4 million active personnel, making it one of the largest military forces in the world. Next up, economic resilience. India's robust economy has provided a solid foundation for its military growth. The country has become a global hub for information technology, pharmaceuticals and manufacturing, contributing to a GDP of nearly $3 trillion. This economic strength allows for sustained military investment and research into advanced defense systems. Diplomatic influence is another key factor. India has developed strong international relationships, particularly with Western powers like the United States and Europe. These alliances have not only provided India with strategic military partnerships, but also access to sophisticated defense technology. But what about Russia and Japan? Russia's military power has been waning due to economic sanctions and internal challenges. Japan, on the other hand, has faced constitutional and political constraints that limit its military expansion. These factors have contributed to India surpassing both nations. However, it's not just about surpassing others. India's focus has been on enhancing its own strategic autonomy and security. With border tensions rising, especially with China, the need for a strong and self-reliant defense mechanism has become more critical than ever. The Lowy Institute's report also highlights India's regional influence. The nation has played a pivotal role in initiatives like the Quad Alliance, which includes the US, Japan, and Australia. This alliance aims to ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific, countering China's assertive policies. India's advancements in space and cyber capabilities further bolster its strategic stature. The successful launch of missions like Chandrayaan-3 and the development of indigenous cyber defense systems showcase India's growing technological prowess. So, what does this mean for the future? India's rise as the third most powerful country in Asia marks a significant shift in the region's power balance. It underscores the importance of continuous investment in defense, economic growth, and international diplomacy. In conclusion, India's journey to becoming a military powerhouse is a testament to its strategic vision and national resilience. As the geopolitical landscape evolves, India's role will undoubtedly be pivotal in shaping the future of Asia. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.